Hi everyone, this is Meryl and welcome back to the Artistry Corner. Today again, I'm excited to be part of the Coasting Through the Week collaboration with amazing YouTube creators. You'll find their channels linked in the description down below, so be sure to check them out and see what coaster projects they've created. So, without further ado, let's get started. These are the supplies I'll be using today. I'll be using the EPE resin. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. For today's color palette, I'll be using the black Diamond Mica Powder in Vivid Orange and in Mahogany. I have an eye candy in Olive Yellow. I'm also going to be using some confetti fall leaves, some with some iridescence. I'm going to be using my Cricut Joy and some vinyl. And these are the coaster molds that I'll be using. Once done, I'm going to be adhering cork sheets to the bottom of the coasters to protect all surfaces. So I'm going to go ahead and mix some resin and clear my desk so we can get this project started. I'm going to be using my multicolor cup. This should be fairly easy. I want to see how all the colors are going to look once I pour all the colors at once. Oh, and I'm also going to be using, where is it? I'm also going to be using, oh, that was for the resin. Okay, I'm also going to be using the Let's Resin Gold Chrome marker for the borders. Now this resin is not new, this EPE resin. I've had it for some time. It used to be my sister's. So she gave it to me, and we can't let resin go to waste because it's expensive. Alright, let's pour some mica powders on each cup. This one is the olive yellow. Oh, so beautiful. Look at that. That is olive gold. Alright, let's do one scoop first. This one is the mahogany. And this one is the vivid orange. And of course, I had to make a boo-boo. I just washed them. Okay. I guess I'll do mahogany in the center. Olive on the side, skipping one. I don't think it matters, but okay. And orange on the other side. Okay, let's see how this is going to come out. I'm going to start in a corner. There we go. There we go. Oh gosh, I wish it would stay like that. wish they would stay like this, but resin is gonna do what resin is gonna do. So I'm not gonna hold my breath, but they look, I love the pattern so far. Okay, time to get them cured and clean up my desk. Okay, while the coasters are curing, I'm getting the vinyl cut. Okay, time for the signing. I've already printed the decals, and now I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of these iridescent leaves, and these I just want to make like a little mixed salad. Let me do that now. Decals first. I want these like all over so I can give it like a festive look. I decided I was gonna put some flakes. These are very, very fine flakes. Let's see. Make it more festive. Okay. Let's get that top coat. Okay, I mixed the resin. Now I have it in the debubbler, removing those bubbles, and then we can do our last pour. Final coat. Okay, they're ready. Oh, they look so beautiful. It looks like just a few of them maybe come to the surface, but they feel good. They feel good. Look at that sparkle. They're definitely festive. Happy fall. They look really nice. Let's demold them. Oh, I love demolding. Time to put the corks on them. Okay, now it's just a matter of doing the borders, but I am gonna put this on a time lapse because it'll be forever. I'll make this video like an hour long. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. I have a lot of mixed media creative projects here at the Artistry Corner.